So on this tire, we're just gonna have to massage it on there a little bit. It looks like.
You got this.
Gotta loosen it up a little bit, make it feel comfortable.
You look good today.
12 hours.
It's the sound of the pry bar going through the rubber.
Say we air it up, boys.
It's about time, dude.
Hey, Mike, fire it up. I feel like we're missing something.
We are missing something. What are we missing?
Ah, I got it.
I don't know.
That's so hard, dude.
You got
Italian.
Yeah.
Let's give him a try.
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.